All right, here we go, guys. Second to last break of the night. PYT 329 Photogenic football. 10 packs, 5 cards per pack. Guess the player on the last auto for 20 credit. Bowman Baseball 2025 Hobby is up next. We are full for tonight's breaks. Do have a list for Sunday, or a schedule for Sunday put together. Grab your teams for Sunday's breaks. Here we go, pack number 1. Keaton Mitchell for the Cure. Leatu rookie. And we just have some base here. Minka Fitzpatrick. Will Levis. And Bijan Robinson. There's Bo Nix. Out of 99, Darius Davis. 86 out of 99. We have George Teague. Aiden Hutchinson. Chris Godwin. Your guess is in for the player on the auto in this one for 20 credit. We got a Deshaun Watson. Progressions. That'll go between Texans and Browns. We'll have to random this one off. That's not numbered. Roma Dunze. Jeffrey Simmons. Patrick Mahomes. Jonathan Taylor. Zach Moss. James Conner. Jackson Smith and Jigba. Jordan Davis is going to be our auto. Photogenic out of 25, 7 out of 25. Jordan Davis is going to the Eagles spot. Nice hit for the Eagles. Right there. Michael Penix. Draft snapshots. Next pack. We got Ladd rookie introductions. Cooper DeJean. Brian Burns. George Kittle. CJ Stroud. Different view, Justin Herbert. We have Amari Cooper out of 150. That goes to the Browns. Tony Pollard. Najee Harris. Justin Jefferson. Bowman Hobby is up next. Bowman Hobby up next. These packs are tough to open. There's Malik Neighbors, Jatavian Sanders, Chad Greenway, DK Metcalf, Wesley Walker. Let's top load these real quick, and then we'll get through the last 3 packs. We do have to random off Deshaun Watson. Next pack. DeAndre Swift. Eagles, Bears on this one, and we'll have to random this off. So we'll just do a left-right random for those. And the Bears are going to get this Brian Urlacher for sure. No random here. Out of 25, 13 out of 25 on the Brian Urlacher. Very cool card there. We got Stephon Diggs, George Pickens, Quinn Williams. The last two packs. Aaron Rodgers, Troops Tribute. Jaden Daniels on the rookie portraits. Chris Jones. Ben Coates, the Patriots. And Cameron Jordan. Last pack. Brock Bowers. 75 Chase Brown. 20 out of 75 on that one for the Bengals. Josh Jacobs. Will Anderson Jr. Dwight Freeney. Let's top load what we have. We'll random off. Two we need to random off. Again, those will be random off left, right. $25 Bowman Baseball coming up next. Bowman Baseball is up next, so if you guys are waiting on that one, it won't be but a few minutes here after we do our random and our recap. All right, we'll do a left-right random. Teams on the left are the Eagles and Bears. Teams on the right, or excuse me, teams on the left, Houston and the Eagles. Teams on the right, the Browns and the Bears. Browns and the Bears on the right. Eagles and Houston on the left. We'll do the left, right. We'll roll the dice. Randomize that list 5 times. Whichever spot's in the one spot after the 5th randomization, those teams will get that card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this should be our 5th and final time. 5 times. Going to the teams on the left. 3 and 2 is 5. 5 times left. So the teams on the left were the Eagles. Get the DeAndre Swift. And the Houston Texans get the Deshaun Watson. And let's recap. Brian Urlacher out of 25 for the Bears. Jaden Daniels. Chase Brown out of 75 for the Bengals. Out of 99, Darius Davis. Bo Nix. Michael Penix. Out of 150, that is Amari Cooper. And our auto out of 25 was Jordan Davis. Jordan Davis. All right, that does it for Photogenic. Bowman Baseball is up next. Again, this is the last break of the night. We will be back again on Sunday. All right. PYT 338.